What's going on, guys? TurtyWurty here, and welcome back to another Minecraft modding tutorial video. And I believe this is episode 29, I think. And in this one we are going to be going over removing IHasModel, because we don't need it. It's basically, if you don't know what IHasModel actually is, it's an interface that people create, and it is used to help register the models. But we don't need it. It's pointless. It's literally 100% pointless. So in your registry handler, you probably have this for loop. Now, the thing is, we don't need this at all. So let's just go into a block class. So let's go into block base and let's go into item base. What we can do is get rid of implements IHasModel, and in item base you want to remove this line right there and then get rid of that method. Now we're going to registry handler, and you want to get rid of this if statement inside and replace it with this, and here you want to change this to item. Simple. That's it. And you want to do the exact same for blocks. So we can go into block base, and you want to just grab this here, and you can paste it in there and change that with so in fact we can just replace that with block. Oh no, it needs to be item dot get item from block. Like that, and that's it. Now we can get rid of implements IHasModel. We don't want that. Get rid of the register models method. We don't want that. Now let's go into interfaces and just delete IHasModel, because we don't need it ever again. So it looks like, oh yeah, we just need to fix the imports in all these classes. Obviously, if we're removing something, we just need to fix the import. Obviously, now we're going to have a lot of errors in all of our object classes. So just go through each individual one and remove anything IHasModel related. So I'm actually going to delete this package. There you go. And that will give me another error as well. Alright, that's all I'll do for now. So just get rid of implements IHasModel, get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of implements IHasModel, and just do this for every single block and item in your mod, just like that. So I'm just going to do this for all my items and blocks, and I will see you guys once I've done that. Alright, so guys, I've just fixed all of that. And also, one last thing I would just like to mention. So your init classes may be different to mine. They may not be called block init and item init. You may have a class called mod items or mod blocks. Now this is if you follow specific tutorials. Different tutorials do it differently, but I would just like to mention and state this very clearly. Mod items is the same as item in it. Mod blocks is the same as block in it. Mod fluids is the same as fluid in it. Mod entities is the same as entity in it. So I would just like to stress that, as I don't think some people don't realise that they are the same thing. But in it just makes more sense, because even though they are your mod items, that is you're initializing them, so they should be called item init, because init stands for initialization. So it's your item initialization, not your mod items technically. But yeah, now I've got that over and done with, let's just go into the game and I'll show you that all the stuff does still work. So I'll see you guys in the game. Alright, so guys, just got in the game, and let's just go ahead and go to our creative tab, and we should see everything is working fine. This is my random block, and it doesn't have a texture in the first place, so just don't worry about that. I never gave it a texture, and I'm never going to. So yeah, everything works fine. That's no issue. All of the special items, they work fine. Yeah, it all works perfectly fine. I am actually going to get a new tutorial a new world for next episode, as I created one yesterday. Yeah. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please do be sure to smash your face into that like button and subscribe. If you really enjoyed, please do be sure to share it. And yes, I will see you guys in the next episode. So goodbye.